FAQs of Bayou Bliss Distylium. As a plant enthusiast, I've often encountered the Bayou Bliss Distylium, a striking and versatile shrub that's becoming increasingly popular. If you're considering adding this evergreen shrub to your garden, you might have a few questions. Here's a comprehensive guide to address the most frequently asked questions about Bayou Bliss Distylium. What is Bayou Bliss Distylium? Bayou Bliss Distylium is a type of evergreen shrub known for its attractive, glossy foliage and resilience. It belongs to the Distylium genus, which is appreciated for its low maintenance and durable qualities. This particular variety, Bayou Bliss, stands out due to its compact size, rich green leaves, and subtle red stems that add visual interest throughout the year. How to care for Bayou Bliss Distylium. Caring for Bayou Bliss Distylium is relatively straightforward, making it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. Here are some key care tips. Sunlight. Bayou Bliss Distylium thrives in full sun to partial shade. It can handle a variety of light conditions, but will perform best with at least a few hours of direct sunlight each day. Watering. This shrub is drought-tolerant once established, but benefits from regular watering during its initial growth period. Ensure the soil is well drained, as Bayou Bliss does not like to sit in waterlogged conditions. Soil. It prefers well-drained soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH. If your soil is heavy clay or sandy, amend it with organic matter to improve drainage and nutrient content. Fertilizing. A balanced, slow-release fertilizer can be applied in early spring to support robust growth. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of flower production. Pruning. Minimal pruning is required for Bayou Bliss Distylium. However, occasional trimming to maintain its shape and remove any dead or damaged branches is beneficial. What is the size of Bayou Bliss Distylium? One of the standout features of Bayou Bliss Distylium is its compact size. Typically, this shrub reaches a height of 3 to 4 feet and spreads out to about 4 to 5 feet wide. Its manageable size makes it suitable for smaller gardens or as a low hedge or foundation plant. How to propagate Bayou Bliss Distylium. Propagating Bayou Bliss Distylium can be done through several methods. Cuttings. The most common method is to take semi-hardwood cuttings in late summer or early fall. Use a sharp, clean knife to take 4 to 6-inch cuttings from healthy, non-flowering stems. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone and plant in a well-draining potting mix. Keep the cuttings in a warm, humid environment until they develop roots. Seeds. While less common, you can also grow Bayou Bliss Distylium from seeds. Sow seeds in a seed tray filled with a seed starting mix, keeping them lightly covered. Maintain consistent moisture and warmth until germination occurs. What to plant with Bayou Bliss Distylium. Bayou Bliss Distylium pairs well with a variety of other plants. Consider combining it with ornamental grasses. Plants like fountain grass or blue fescue complement the dense, evergreen foliage of Bayou Bliss and add texture to the garden. Flowering shrubs. To create a dynamic landscape, plant Bayou Bliss alongside flowering shrubs such as azaleas or camellias. The contrast between the evergreen leaves and seasonal blooms can be visually striking. Perennials. Plants like hostas or daylilies work well with Bayou Bliss, providing a mix of colors and textures that enhance your garden's appeal. Is Bayou Bliss Distylium deer-resistant? Yes, Bayou Bliss Distylium is considered deer-resistant. Its tough, leathery leaves are not particularly palatable to deer, making it a good choice for gardens in areas with high deer traffic. Can Bayou Bliss Distylium tolerate cold weather? Bayou Bliss Distylium is known for its resilience to a range of weather conditions. It can tolerate cold weather, withstanding temperatures as low as USDA Zone 6. However, in areas with severe winters, it may benefit from some winter protection, such as mulch or burlap wraps, to shield it from extreme conditions. Conclusion. Bayou Bliss Distylium is a versatile and attractive shrub that adds beauty and structure to any garden. Its low maintenance requirements, compact size, and evergreen foliage make it a valuable addition. By following the care tips and understanding its characteristics, you can enjoy the benefits of this delightful shrub for years to come. Whether you're looking for a foundation plant, a low hedge, or a companion for other garden elements, Bayou Bliss Distylium is a choice you won't regret.